5 seconds to go. Start. If the internal fabric is weak, if the internal thought is loose, then no amount of military spending will provide to the nation the security that it is seeking. There is a limitation of time. I do wish to come to substantive points. My resolution talks of deteriorating security environment. I shall submit through history and in a very real geostrategic sense that there are three components, three strategic components. If one is talking of the external security to this nation's security, these three components are the buffer of Tibet, the buffer of Afghanistan, and the buffer of the Indian Ocean. The very structuring of this peninsular subcontinent is such that it is bound by the Himalayas, which provide a kind of protection, and it is encircled by the Indian Ocean, which provides us protection from aggression across the seas. It is my sad duty to point out to this nation, to this house, and through the house to whosoever is hearing this, that independent India's history of our efforts at preservation of even the territorial integrity of our country do not stand up to scrutiny. In the 40s, we accepted the biting off of a portion of Jammu Kashmir. In the 50s, we accepted the elimination of the buffer of Tibet. We went on and in the 60s accepted the biting of the high tops of the Aksai Chin. In the 60s itself, and as continued through the 70s, we accepted a diminution of our presence in the Indian Ocean. Through independent India's history, therefore, I do submit that what we have witnessed is not a kind of success, not an account of the preservation of the nation's security interests. We are well aware that around us in the South Asian region are centered focal points of conflict in Southwest Asia, in Southeast Asia, in the West Asia region, and these focal points of conflict, these focal points of strife do affect on our security concerns. I was talking about the implications of strife outside our territorial boundaries, and we have to understand that living in the kind of interdependent world that we are, what happens outside the geographical boundaries of our nation does not isolate us from the impact of it. We have to take into account that in today's situation, what India is faced with is the elimination of all its traditional recognized and historically established buffers which provided us with the needed security. On top of that is the existence of grave disturbances, grave destabilization in regions of Southeast Asia so far as the oceanic focal points are concerned in the world today. Full stop.